Welcome to New Orleans Way of Life. Okay, cheesecakes for later. Already I'm seeing, good grief, the selection. Oh my goodness, caramel apple, cinnamon swirl, salted caramel, white chocolate raspberry truffle. Ooh, mango key lime. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to have one of every one of them. Oh wow. That's amazing. Florida what?
Florida stone crab.
Oh, okay. That's those crabs. They grab the claws off one side, just the big claw, and then throw the rest of the crab back. They just harvest one claw off a crab because the crabs grow them back. It's sustainable farming.
Oh, well, that season was over. It's only from October to May 2nd.
Oh,
Jesus.
wow! Look at this.
A Monaco steak, 12 ounces, $51.
So I ordered the tempura batter dipped shrimp with a sweet Thai chili sauce. Normally they come with dynamite sauce. And Desiree ordered, what did you order?
Cheeseburger spring rolls.
Oh, cheeseburger spring rolls. And then there's like a Thousand Island mayonnaise mixed dipping sauce and a cheese sauce to dip them in. Boy, those look delicious. I can't wait to taste mine though. I'm busy eating my shrimp, and the server brought these fries, fully loaded fries, with big chunks of bacon, loaded with cheese. Wow. Now, if this selection doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what will. Look at this. This is what the Cheesecake Factory is famous for. Wow. I brought this luscious coconut cream cheesecake home from the Cheesecake Factory because I knew there was no way that I would be able to eat it at the restaurant. I wasn't even halfway through my tempura shrimp. So I brought this home along with the remainder of my tempura shrimp. And I wanted to try this beautiful coconut cream cheesecake. Can't wait to try it. Oh my goodness, the flavor in this. This is loaded with coconut. And if you love coconut, definitely get this. They start with their graham cracker crust. Then they have a thin layer down here at the bottom that's actually coconut It almost tastes like a Mounds bar down here. And it's a coconut and I would imagine a vanilla mixture. And then they have this chocolate layer right here. And then you go into the cheesecake part. And this is just infiltrated with coconut shavings, toasted coconut shavings. And then they have like a vanilla, like custard layer right here. And then they top it off with this beautiful whipped cream with toasted coconut shavings. Boy, this just, oh man. And I just took 2 bites and I'm already full. It's a huge piece of cheesecake. And boy, is it delicious. I'm going to have extra for later. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I am so glad that I chose this. They have so many different types of cheesecake to choose from, and it was really hard to choose. But coconut has always been a favorite of mine. If you like our videos, hit the like button, and if you want to see future videos, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, and welcome to New Orleans Way of Life.